Hello everyone, today I will show you how to schedule with Google Calendar in Zoom. And here's how it's done. 1. Open Google Calendar. Go to the Google Calendar page in your browser. This is where we will be working. 2. Add the Zoom integration. In the top right corner, click the settings icon, then select Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Zoom and look for Zoom for Google Workspace. Click it, then select Install and follow the prompts to finish the setup. Once installed, you'll see a Zoom icon on the right-hand panel of Google Calendar. 3. Create your meeting. In the top left corner, click Create and choose Event. Enter a clear event title, the date and time, and any other details like location, description, and guest list. Providing a good description helps everyone understand the purpose of the meeting. 4. Add Zoom video conferencing. Next to the Add Google Meet option, open the drop-down menu and select Zoom Meeting. This will automatically attach a Zoom link to your event. 5. Review and save. Double-check your meeting time, guest list, and details. Click Save, and Google Calendar will send invitations with the Zoom link to all participants. And that is everything to know about how to schedule with Google Calendar in Zoom. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.